So guys, in today's we're playing natural disaster, and I'm sad because I did try to play this, but it glitched it, and then when I paused it, just glitched it. So I'm gonna try to survive so that will never happen again. I think it's tornado. Wait, there's a car. Wait, where's the car? Is it tornado? I think it's rain. Oh. Ah! This is my car now. Oh. Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm so dead, I'm so dead. Run! Jaden! Get up, get up, get up, get up. How am I still alive? Okay, keep on jumping, Jaden. Oh, my leg! My poor leg! Drive me! Drive me! Oh, it's heading forward. Brace yourself! Why is it going after me? We have one leg, come on. Oh my god, this is just like Legos. Okay. I want to try this. Oh, I'm in! Oh, screw that. Ah! I'm getting up. This is actually a bad idea, but that's worth the views. We're probably going to die here and now. Ah, yep, knew it. Knew it. Run. Don't go there. Oh. That round was intense. I'm trying to keep alive because I wanted to glitch or anything. Just bear with me, or I will find you. Hit a football in your face. Back. Actually, I can't search your pictures, and I don't even know your name. So I can't. I need to get something. Oh my god. I'm still bald. I'm a bald eagle. Fly. If I had... why can't I just be bald? Okay. If it's a fire, you have to, like, have a house and then get out on the window. I don't trust... Okay, this is my strategy. I will stay here and see if I should go up. Fire. Yeah, I'm going up. Deja vu, let me speed and lie. Looks I can escape. Oh my god. Why are they there? If there's people in their house, rip. Oh, the fire's coming here already. Ah! I think that I will light a fire, but who cares? I care. Oh, hot. Oh, let's. I'm cold. Wait, let's do that again. Oh no, friend, no more friend. I don't like you anymore. You want to kill me? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, the house is on fire. Let's watch the people die here. You should run. Run for your life. How can this fire? Oh, we better go down, guys. Woohoo! I survived. Well, I'm not gonna survive the next round. So pray for me. I will survive. Anyways, what's the new place? Anyways, we played 2 rounds. I'm gonna make another video after this because I forgot to make 2 videos at Sunday, and then it's Monday, so I make 1. I'm going to. I think it's tornado. Okay, I'm gonna do the same tactic. I'm gonna see what I'll see if I should go in or if I should go out. Do 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 do. If I don't lose a health, you have to subscribe. You have to. Okay. Anyways, if you have a YouTube account. Oh, yep, I'm going out. It was too late. My strategy did not work. Well, I'm gonna die. Say goodbye to JJ. Oh, wait, I'm still alive. Let's get out. Right. Jump, everybody, jump. Oh, no. What disaster is this, anyways? Woohoo! Get out. Oh, I dodged that. Hey, we're going surfing. Woohoo! Hey. Oh, parkour. Obby time. Oh, flip. Obby time. Ah! Obby time. Ah! Ah! This is intense. I'm trying to keep alive and not talk, but that's what YouTubers do. So I gotta talk so I can get. Oh! This is probably a bad idea. I haven't lose health yet, so you have to subscribe if I'll go surfing. Cowabunga! Huh? It stopped. But the house! Like, we don't have a home anymore. Rest in peace. You'll be missed. That was low. I didn't die yet. Yay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, I have different voices. Hello. Hello. Okay, I should stop. This is cringy. And even all my videos are cringy, this is the cringiest one. Oh, I hate this map. It's always, I don't know what disaster is this, but I always went there. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. But I'm gonna use the same strategy. What is it? It's probably a tornado. Tornado, knew it. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, rest in peace, Shade. Help! Oh, I'm alive. Glitch us out. Oh, the tornado's coming. Run. Oh my God. Hallelujah. The rocket ship. I'm going to save you. Pull up. Where you go? Oh, I went into the water. I'm going up at you. That was a bad idea. Oh, yep. Woo! I almost died there. Huh. Just go towards the tornado. Just go towards the tornado. See, my plan worked. I just tripped. The tornado! Well, oh, my feet's not stuck anymore. How is this building still alive? Oh, well, it's not going to be alive for long. I know about that. Oh, yep. I think that building's a corner. Yep. Well, if you enjoyed that video, please subscribe and if you like that video, please subscribe. I said that twice. Like the video. When you subscribe, click that little bell. It will good thing. Actually, it won't. And I'll see you next time. Bye.